Hey kids! Are you ready? Magic blender time! Colors, eggs, and animal surprises. Let's go!
4 little bunny cups standing in a row. White, orange, green, and blue all glow. Empty little bottles waiting for the fun. Magic blender spinning under shining sun. Round and round the blender goes. What comes out nobody knows. Shake it fast, spin it slow. Watch the magic start to grow. Mix it up, magic round. When it colors spinning down, crack the egg and you will see a funny animal surprise for me. Hey, magic blender, magic blender. Colors dancing everywhere, animals popping in the air. White little balls go tumbling and start. Blender starts with a happy spin. Round and round, so smooth and bright, making magic shining white. Big white egg comes rolling out. Everybody jump and shout. Crack it open, 1, 2, 3. A white horse says hello to me. Yes! Gallop, gallop, run so fast. Happy horse is here at last. Tap your feet and clap your hands. Dance together, all our friends. Mix it up, blend it round. Magic colors spinning down. Crack the egg and you will see a funny animal surprise for me. Hey, magic blender, magic blender. Colors dancing everywhere, animals popping in the air. Orange balls go bounce, bounce, bouncing inside the blender. They dance around, round and round. The colors fly, magic sparkles in the sky. Orange egg pops out with cheer. What surprise is hiding here? Crack it open, what do we see? A little puppy wagging happily. Puppy jump and play, running all around today. Cute little doggy, soft and sweet, dancing with tiny puppy feet. Green balls rolling one by one. Your blender magic having fun. Spin around and twirl so high. Green light flashing in the sky. Green egg rolling to the floor. Can you guess what's in the core? Crack it open loud and bright. A green lion roars tonight. Roar, roar, lion, strong and proud. Roaring big and roaring loud. Shake your head and stomp around. Lion dancing to the sound.